Hello guys, in today's video we will see that how we use balance of a good balance, a do balance of $700 and we made more than $17,000. Yeah, you have not misheard me, you have heard it like correct that we made more than $17,000 in a very limited number of kids. You will see that we have not educated any part, and we have tried to explain to everything to you as clear as possible. So yeah, we'll be we'll be just observing every single aspect of the trade very carefully so that you don't miss out on anything and you just find everything very easy and a piece of cake for yourself, so that you can also do it as well. So yeah, we have adjusted the size of entry to 1, and now we are placing more and more entries by entries with full margin, because we did not have time to place upper bar lower bar on the screen before starting this trade. So yeah, now we have placed a trend line on the screen, and after that we are able to paste the upper bar and the lower bar on the screen as well, so that like the everything is clearly visible to you and it looks like a proper trade. So yeah, we have about more than $300 in profit, and we are even looking to make more. So now we will be just looking to make more profit. So also you can see that we are just in the trend line on the screen, and it is going good till now. It has been a very good start. That we have like almost doubled our balance in the beginning of this, and we are looking to we have a very big target. So yeah, this is nothing in front of that target. So, but to appreciate this trade, it is a very good trade. We have instantly doubled our balance. So we also be looking to make more, and you can see we have placed a lower bar on the screen, and we are again placing more and more buy entries, and there in front of you that we have like we are like $100 in profit, and we are placing more and more buy entries again, and you can see we are like around $1,800 in profit, and we have crossed 2,000, and we close this trade at a total of $3,500 in total balance, and it is a very great balance for next trade to start. So we'll be starting the new trade with the help of this balance, and let's see how much we make in that trade. So one thing which you must keep in mind is that you need a lot of practice to like play with the big balances. That you must think of this that like playing with big balances, but it is easy if you are lucky, but it is very critical if you have to think about every aspect. So because even a minor fluctuation can cause a $1,000 gap, and it is not less. I'm telling you, it is not a less gap. So that's how we try to also try to keep the size of entry small. We keep the size of entry small, as small with respect to the total balance, because also larger entry sizes can also cause like much bigger difference, which will probably lead to like a very good either like good profit or something very risky. The point is it is risky, and there you can see we closed this trade at $6,000 balance. So now we will be using this balance in our next trade. So let's see what will happen in back and how much total we will make in back trade. So now we are right now going to the balance you are looking at. It's again a very good balance for a trade to start. And there you can see we are adjusting the size of entry, and we are adjusting it to 5, and now we are placing more and more buy entries. It's full margin, and there you can see we have struck to low profit, and now we are placing the trend line, and after that we'll place the arrow line on the screen, and we'll see that how much more we can go. And you can see it is a start. It started as a very slow trade. The market is very slow right now, and we are hoping that it won't go any bad because like it is not very good. So now we will be just like waiting for it to go more, and we will see that it should might we should might end up making good profit. So yeah, it is like help it might help us. As I told you that it is a very slow moving market right now. And I think this trade is going to take some time, because if the market is fast, it might fluctuate you, but it will quickly get you to the destination or the point you think is the maximum hot trade. But a slow trade is something which is safe. It does not fluctuate that much, but it will take some time to get you to the point you desire to go, or the point you think it is the maximum point, or it is the maximum potential of the trade where it can maximally take you. So yeah, you should like we should probably worry about about a trade which is like slow. It may cost just some time. So yeah, you can see it is still $1,600 in profit, and the fluctuation is very minor. And there you can see we have cost $2,000, and now it has started fluctuate a bit, but Christian, it is not that much fast. So here we crossed $2,500 in profit, and we are going right now good. And we are in profit. As long as you're in profit, we don't care that it is a fast moving trade or a slow moving trade. Our trade is good. So yeah, we have crossed about $2,900 in profit, and there we touched a $3,000 mark, and yet even looking to go more than that. But you can still see it is fluctuating about the same point. As we might think this is a very, I told you it is slow, but from the fluctuations you will see it is a really fast fluctuation. But as I told you, with larger sizes of entries, fluctuation of for even $500 to $700 is considered small. You can see it from the candle. That candle is not moving from its place that much, but the fluctuation is about $200, $300, and sometimes even $700. But interest larger balances, it is not considered a good. Don't worry, I did not consider big. There are no such factors as good or bad fluctuations. And life is sometimes it's large and sometimes it's very small. So there you can see it is like going well for now. But as I told you that it will take us some time to reach the maximum point, the point which is the maximum potential point for this particular trade. So yeah, we will be waiting to reach there, and we will just have like we might just like to get the point there. We have a kink. It is good for us to go. So yeah, we will have some of the best trades, and we will see like how good does it go. So now we will be waiting, and I told you I have not reviewed any major part of it, and I also told you that it is going to take some time. But those who are interested in it will think of it as a good thing, so that they get a chance to observe it quite closely and quite really easily. So yeah, it is like already slow trade, and it is going to like take some time to get to completion. So we will just wait so that we can end up making good profit, because sometimes vaping is also a good thing. Then you're waiting for your trade to go to your maximum point, and you know it is going to go at a maximum point. That is something which comes with a lot of practice, and a lot of like learning, and a lot of like knowledge. So we should just probably wait for some time, and because being patient is a very important part of being a trader. And a trader, if you are like waiting patiently and you're waiting for the right thing, then for sure you are going to end up making good profit. So yeah, that was about this, and you can see it has slightly started to go above. But it is also, again, I told you, it will take some time to realize its previous position and get us to a point which is close to like for what we think is the total good total for this. balance. So we are looking to like make some more of it, and after that we will see that what happens next. And according to me, it is like going well, and it is going to go more than that, and we will see that how far does it go. And yeah, it is going well. So being a trader is like something which you should think as some that you have to be fast thinker. You have to be fasting, but you have to be a good decision maker. You have to be a good analyzer. But far more than that, above everything else, you have to be patient. Because if you are not patient enough and you are like you are doing you are less clicking and clicking everything, and you are not patient, you cannot see them wait for the market to revive to its original position or something like that, or go to a certain point which you are sure that will go, then for sure you should quit as a trader, because it will get you a great deal of loss, and which you can see that we are about $2,500 in profit, and it is even more. And here we have crossed about $3,000, and here is in another buyer tree, and we will see that can we also go further than that or not. So yeah, there you can see that we have crossed $3,000 and can cross $4,000. It felt shaken bad for 2,000, and we closed $5,000, and we are looking to like close it, and probably we'll close this trade. And yeah, we'll close it at, no, we did not close it first. So it touched $6, and it is the last minute motivation, which you can think that, no, I can get it more than that. It has more potential than that. So yeah, we will wait for that potential, and we will wait for it to patch that point, whether it does patch that point or not. So let's see. And there you can see there about $15,000 in total equity, sorry, and total balances cost $7,000. And yeah, I think you can start to speed up a bit. I will go more than that, and thankfully the change I see him to close target earlier at that point. Otherwise, he would have likely get it really bad. And there you can see it is like $8,000 it's been crossed again. It was probably equal for 9,000, and yeah, it did, but it crept and again it touched 9,000, and it touched $10,000, and it touched $11,000, and he certainly pasted the buy and lead it full margin, and now we are looking to like make it more, and yeah, there you can see we have crossed the $10,000 mark again, and we closed it at $11,000, and our total balance was $17,000, which is like $8 for like a starting of like just $700, and it is really good, and we have just reached our point. So that was all about this. This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. And also, this video is for educational purposes only, and we are not your financial advisors. Trade at your own risk. If you want this strategy, use the link in the description to get it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. We continue to offer giveaways and other benefits for our regular subscribers who enjoy our videos, giving them significant advantages.